Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. This is video number 3, guys, of me tackling the November 2022 mathematics paper 1 examination. Please note that there are already 2 videos which are uploaded, and there will be 7 videos after this one. Just click the link on the description. It will take you to the playlist with the full memorandum. You can just open it, play every video from video 1 to video number 10. Each question will have its own video. You can download the question paper, answer the questions with me. If there are things you're not sure about, do raise your hand. I'll definitely come and assist you. Okay, it is given that the general term for the quadratic number pattern is equal to n squared plus bn plus 9. And the first term of the first difference is 7. Show that b is equal to 4. The first term of the first difference is 7. So if you have a sequence like this, guys, we have x over here. That means the first term of the first difference is 7. It's together, which simply means that, remember that for us to get to b, we simply say 3a plus b is equal to 7, right? But we are given the value of a. The value of a is just positive 1. So we'll just simply say 3 times 1 plus b is 7, then b is equal to 4. Okay, now determine the value of the 60th term of this number pattern. Already I know the value of a, b, and c. That means I know the full equation or the general term. I have n squared plus 4n plus 9. Determine the value of the 60th term. Simply means I'll simply say T60 is equal to, whenever I come across n, I'll just substitute a 60 squared plus 4 times 60 plus 9. So this will be equal to 60 squared plus 4 times 60 plus 9. So this is 3,849. Okay, 3.3, we are supposed to determine the general term of the sequence of the first difference. Of the quadratic number pattern. Write your answer in that form. The first term of the first difference, no, not the first term of the first difference. The general term rather of the first difference. My sequence here, if I have 7 there, that means I will have x plus 7. But since I was given the value of a, guys, remember that for me to find the value of a, I need to say 2a is equal to something. Altogether. So if a is equal to 1, it simply means that I had a 2 here, because whenever I divide both sides by 2, I'll get a is equal to 1. So this simply means that I had a 2 over there. That means I'll have a 9 there, I'll have a 11 there, I'll have a 13. So I need to find the general term for this sequence. Remember that sequence is always arithmetic. Are we together? So they want it in so the pth term of my sequence is a plus, let me use a different color. The pth term of the sequence is a plus p minus 1d. The value of a is 7. The value of p, it's not necessary for us to get it. And then d is 2. I'll have 7 plus 2p minus 2. So this is 2p plus 5. That's the pth term of the sequence. Tp is 2p plus 5. Okay. Now we are being asked to find out which two consecutive terms in the quadratic number pattern have a first difference of 157. Okay, let's go and find P when the term is 157, because I already know the general term of the numbers in the first difference, right? So I want to know the position of 157 in my first difference sequence. So when I take the 5 to the other side, I'll have 152 is equal to 2p. Therefore, p is equal to 152 divided by 2. Excuse me. P is equal to 76. Are you scared? So please check here, guys. In our sequence, the first term of the first difference will be between T1 and T2. The second term will be between T2 and T3. The third term of the first difference will be between T3 and T4. The fourth term will be between T4 and T5. That means the 76th term will be between T76 and T77. So they said which two terms of the quadratic number patterns will have the difference of 157. That's T77 minus T76. Alright, together. So that's how you could have answered that question. And it's T77 of this quadratic number pattern and T76 of that pattern as well. If you want to find the actual values and see which it's true, on your question paper you can simply write T77 is 77 squared plus 4 times 77 plus 9. What do we get? 77 squared plus 4 times 77 plus 9. You'll get 6249. Then you go and find T76. This would give us 6089. If you subtract the two terms, they must give you 157. So I'll simply say 6249 minus 6089. They will give me 157.